Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Thursday, the 25th of June 2020. It's currently 5:25 a.m. This is a look that's in Vietnam local time. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle for them was at 4 a.m., 1 hour 25 minutes ago. It takes a little while to do the video because I have to do the charts, wait for the spreads to come in, etc. So we're all up to date. So let's have a look what's happening at the charts if I can find them. Right, trading view. This is my 12-hour watch list. What you see highlighted in blue is what I've currently got trades on. Orange highlight means what I'm going to talk about in this video. And if there's none, which there is none, it means there's no trade. So there's plenty happening on the 12-hour charts. So let's start with the CAD Swiss. Now, like I always say, if you can't understand me, English is not your strong language, or I'm talking too fast, just pause the video, read my notes. So I've always sort of got plenty of notes on the chart and they match with the trades. So this is my setup. It's just a basic 12-hour candle chart with 3 moving averages, the 240 LMA, 100 EMA, 50 EMA. This indicator here is called the MACD Platinum, which is a zero lag MACD. It just oscillates around the zero level, which is this dotted line. Generally, when it's above the zero level, I'm looking to sell. When it's below the zero level, I'm looking to buy. These green and red dots on the chart are a QMP filter. They're not an indicator as such. They're a combination of two indicators. The two indicators being the MACD Platinum, which you see here, and there's another one which is not displayed in the chart called the QQE Advanced. When the QQE Advanced cross is in sync with a MACD Platinum cross or dot, then it forms these dots on the chart, the price chart. Generally, these dots form at the close of a candle, so you take your trade on the open of the next candle. So my buys are these blue lines, so blue vertical dashed line and a blue horizontal solid line. Sells are red. So in this case, S1 stands for sequence 1. That's where the sequence commences on this candle. If you see green trend lines, generally means bullish divergence, either formed or forming. Red trend lines, bearish divergence. Blue trend lines, just something of interest, like a support or resistance level. So let's have a quick look at this. So I took a buy here, and you can see why, based on hidden bullish divergence. So here we have the buy. Price has gone up slowly, but eventually fallen down. And here we've got a new sell signal today. So I've taken a hedge sell. So I'm locking in a loss between that red line and that blue line. So now as the MACD rolls over to the downside, I'm looking for another buy signal where I'll go with slightly bigger and hopefully clear these two trades, which shouldn't take too much. There's not much of a gap there. So it's the CAD Swiss new hedge sell. It's not a standalone sell trade because the MACD Platinum is below the zero level and there's no supporting divergence. Euro Aussie. Now this is a little bit different. That was easy. This is this is my dog's breakfast on the 12-hour charts. A lot happening. So we've got sequence 1, sequence 2, sequence 3. So sequence 1 is over here. Here's all the trades. Sequence 2 is here. Here's all the trades. Sequence 3. So basically, they're all hedged. So when you see break even, not applicable, as hedged. So sequence 1 is hedged. Today there's a new buy signal. It's above, it's not a standalone buy signal. The MACD Platinum's above the zero level. So I just have to take evasive action on these sequences. So sequence 1 was a hedge buy. Sequence 2 was a hedge buy. And sequence 3 was a hedge buy. So it hedges all these sequences. Overall break even, not applicable, as everything's hedged. So normally if this buy signal, the MACD Platinum was below the zero level, I may look at, say, closing some of these sell trades and adding to my profit and pivoting my bias on some of these sequences. But because the MACD Platinum's above the zero level and it's a buy signal, I'm expecting the MACD Platinum, the price could go to the moon. I don't really care. I'm only losing money on the overnight interest rates or the swaps. But eventually this thing will come back down to the zero level, and that's when I'll start looking to sell and then try and clear out some of these sequences. I know it's very confusing, there's a lot happening, but at the moment there's a lot of trades happening, but I'm actually hedged overall, so all I'm losing is on the interest rate or the overnight swap rates. Multiple trades can be taken on the same sequence, same candle also, so you probably find there's probably 3 trades taken on this candle here, definitely 3 trades taken on that candle. So a lot happening on this chart. As I said, just pause the video, read my notes. So yeah, it's a bit of an ugly one. USD Japanese yen, a little bit simpler. Right, so S1 is here. So again, read the notes. It's a standalone sell. I took the sell up here. Red dotted line is a stop. So there's a stop in place. Now, I forgot to tell you all these trades I take. I've been trading the 12-hour chart since the 3rd of February. They're all recorded on a shared spreadsheet on Google Drive. Everyone's got access to that spreadsheet. There's a link to the description. There's a link to that spreadsheet in the description of the video. So everyone's more than welcome to have a look at that. So, all right, we took the sell here. Got a stop in place. That's that dotted line. These yellow lines are the break-even levels, all right? So I took started a new sequence with a buy. Yesterday I took a hedge sell on that. This is sequence 2, you can see that, hedge sell. And today it's reversed completely. I'd say mainly, yeah, it's reversed today, within 24 hours basically, to a buy. So it's a second buy taken, a slightly bigger position size. So I've got a break even for sequence 2, which is 107.353, which is the top yellow line. And I've got an overall break even at 107.138 for all the trades. That's the bottom yellow line. So I'm already probably at that. So just got to, ideally I want to see this push up through both the yellow lines, take out that stop, then I can start looking at doing other trade management if the MACD platinums through the 0 level. So locking in a profit on sequence 1 and sequence 2 is a buy, hedge sell, second buy. All right, that's it for the 12-hour charts. Pretty quick, short and sharp. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you do like, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And remember to check out the spreadsheet exactly. And hopefully this dog's breakfast of the Euro Aussie will get sorted eventually because it's getting downright ugly. Really needs some action the other way. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll chat later. Cheers.